Hi there, you're looking at healthy snack options? We are making steamed buns with mushroom filling. They turn out super soft, melt in the mouth. Everyone enjoys them. You'll be able to make them perfectly to your taste. Let's begin. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To make the dough, I am using 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, instant yeast, 1.5 teaspoons, sugar, 2 teaspoons, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix. Now this recipe can only be done with maida or all-purpose flour. Make a well. Add in a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil and about half a cup of lukewarm milk to begin with, and then just mix it well. Add in the rest of the milk. So this is about a cup. So once it all starts to come together, take it out onto the work surface. Use a dusting of flour to knead it. The dough is quite sticky at this stage. Once it becomes manageable, knead it for 5 minutes until it's nice and smooth. That has become nice and smooth. So I'll just shape it into a round. Oil a bowl and keep the dough. I'll cover it and put it in a warm place to rise. So to make the mushroom filling, heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. Add in 2 medium chopped onions and a large capsicum that has been chopped. Fry them with a pinch of salt till the onions get a color on them. After 3 minutes, the onions have turned a light pink. Let's add in finely chopped garlic, about 4 cloves. You could add in more garlic or less garlic. You could even add ginger instead of garlic as soon as the raw smell goes away. Add in the mushroom that have been chopped. It's important to clean the mushroom thoroughly. So this is about 2 cups of mushroom that I have chopped up roughly. The mushroom will start to release water and it will wilt in just about 2 minutes. So I'll add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, green chili sauce, you could add in the red one according to taste, and some stir fry sauce, maybe 2 teaspoons of it. You could build the flavor according to your taste. More garlic, less garlic, more chili, a dash of pepper powder, toss that up, and that's almost done. I'll just finish it up with some cornstarch or corn slurry. I added a tiny bit of water and that gravy looks perfect. I'll turn off the heat and let it cool down. So it's been just about an hour since I left the dough to rise and it has risen really well. So it's time to just knock out the air. Take it out onto the work surface. Knead it lightly. Have you subscribed to my channel already? And then just roll it out. So this is about 1/4 inch thick, and now I'm going to use a cookie cutter 4 inches to cut out circles. You could use a bottle cap or a jar cap or a katori. So I got 6 at one go. I just gather the dough and roll it out again and repeat with the cutting. So I got about 11, and I'll brush the tops with some oil, vegetable oil. This will prevent the dough from sticking when we fold it for steaming. I have cut out some butter paper rectangles on which I'll place the bao or the buns. So I'll just fold it in half and quickly place it on a butter paper. Similarly for the rest. So I ran out of butter paper and I used foil for a few of them. You could also use banana leaf, and then just cover them and let them rest for a second rise, 20 minutes maximum. I'll be using my steamer plate to steam the buns. You could use an idli steamer in its place. They have risen well, and it's time to place them onto the steamer plate. So I'll do about 5 at a time so that they get space to expand. Lower the heat. Place the buns. Cover and cook on medium for 10 to 12 minutes. Checking after 12 minutes. They look done. Time to get them out. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. The next batch goes in. Now these have just slightly cooled, and I want to check if they open up. Yes, they do. That's wonderful. Time to fill the buns with the mushroom stuffing. Some sweet chili sauce. Some sliced onions. Shredded carrots. Cucumber. Once they are all done, arrange them onto a platter and sprinkle some spring onion greens. Serve the stuffed buns with a sauce or a dip of your choice and enjoy.